Gentlemen, welcome back. The latest fad among some politicians is to use the Muslim card on every issue. Every issue. Narcotics bust in Mumbai, Muslim card. Lakhimpur, Muslim card. Why are some politicians so intent on using the Muslim card on everything? Let's debate.
Aryan Khan's bail hearing has been posted for the 13th of October, and the law is taking its course. In a bizarre turn of events, some have gone all out to inject a Muslim card narrative. From Mehbooba Mufti, to the Congress Party, to the Lutyens lobby, to the Bollywood Brigade.
This despite the arrests that were made in accordance to law. According to the remand copy accessed by Republic TV, NCB says these arrests were made because of possession, consumption and attempt to commit offence under the NDPS Act. Not just that, sources within the NCB also maintain that they have digital evidence, and that is the reason why these arrests were made, citing WhatsApp conversations between the arrested accused with that of the supplier.
A communal colour is being given to what is clearly incredible work to make India drug-free.
The main issue and the main motto of NCB in all is to have clear the state of Maharashtra and Goa from the ill effects of drugs and drug menace. It's a general issue in the entire city, state as well as the state of Goa. So in that direction, we have booked around, if you talk about Mumbai zonal unit, we have booked around 94 cases this year.
Asaduddin Owaisi has now used the Muslim card to provoke even in the Lakhimpur incident.
कि अब्बाजान का नाम अजय मिश्रा है, बेटे का नाम आशीष है, अतीक नहीं है। अगर बेटे का नाम अतीक होता या आरिफ अनवर हाशमी होता तो अब तक जेल में चले जाते, कितने घर तोड़ दिए जाते, कितने घर तोड़ दिए जाते अब तक। मगर ये बता रहा हूं, ये फर्क है।
Just like he did during the CAA law being passed.
ये कानून जो बनाया जा रहा है, इसलिए बनाया जा रहा है कि दोबारा पार्टीशन हो। ये कानून तो हिटलर के उस कानून से ही बदतर है, हर एतबार से फेलियर साबित होगा मैडम। इसीलिए मैं इस बिल की मुखालिफत करता हूं। ये हिंदुस्तान के संविधान के खिलाफ है। मैं इस बिल को फाड़ता हूं। ये हिंदुस्तान को तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है।
In September, the Muslim card was used to play down an illegal conversion racket. The Muslim card was played to call for the release of those accused in the Delhi riots case.
हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री और हिंदुस्तान की सरकार हिंदुस्तान को बांटने का काम कर रही है। हिंदुस्तान की आवाम हिंदुस्तान के हुक्मरानों के खिलाफ लड़ रही है। अगर हिंदुस्तान के हुक्मरान देश को बांटना चाहते हैं तो हिंदुस्तान की आवाम देश को जोड़ने के लिए तैयार है। हम तमाम लोग सड़कों पर निकल कर आएंगे।
And the Muslim card has become a mainstay ahead of elections.
जब 22 में सरकार बनेगी तो चुनाव में 5 साल में 5 मुख्यमंत्री, एक मुसलमान, एक साल राजभर, एक साल चौहान, एक साल कुशवाहा, एक साल पटेल.
The attempt to obfuscate real issues by using the Muslim card as perhaps a decoy may not work. The law of the land is the same for all, regardless of religion, and it will be enforced. Let's debate.